Hi guys, so today marks the first official video of 2018. I know that I already published a video this year, but that video was actually recorded last year, so it doesn't really count. And today I'm filming this video extremely sick, so if you notice that my voice is a little bit different, there's that. And also I have a new microphone, so it can be like the joining of the two factors that's making the sound a little bit wonky. So yeah, just be advised that I am a little bit sick and I have a new microphone, and that's why the sound is a little bit different. Also, the light today is a fucking shit, so that's also why the lines are not as good as I would like to. But still, I'm sick, lights are shit, but I still wanted to film this video for you guys because I have just received my Birchbox for this month, and this month is in collaboration with Oh Dear, which is a British stationery brand. I haven't heard about them, I must be honest. I'm sorry, but I haven't heard of them. I'm not into the stationery brands galore thing, so I haven't heard of them. Yes, I've said this like 3 times already. I'm sorry. Right out of the bat, I loved the packaging. When I opened the box, like the outside box, because this box comes in a box, which is very very nice. It comes in a box. So, and I opened the actual box where this box came in. I almost screamed because it has flamingos on it and it's super adorable and super cute. I thought that even if I didn't like the products, at least I would like the box. That's something, right? This is the little paper which all the information comes in, and the first thing that I did was just throw all the products on my bed, and the first thing that I actually noticed were stickers. They came with stickers, which is super cool. They had these flamingos and leaves and Be Fabulous, stretch your stuff and things like that, and I think they're super cute and adorable. But because I am a psycho, I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not. I'm always too sad about using stickers. I love stickers so much, but then I'm just sad about using them, which is completely insane. I know. I also have some discount codes for Oh Dear and for the Paper Gang box, which is a monthly subscription box but for stationery. So I have some discount codes for that. Of course, I'm not gonna share them with ya. They're gonna be mine. Sorry for that. But yeah, let's get on to the products themselves. This was the option that we could choose this month. It's a Lord and Berry blush, crayon blush. We could choose between the colors of peach and camellia. I chose peach because I have a lot of, you know, reddish toned blushes, so I decided to choose a little bit different. But now I'm thinking that maybe I should have choose the camellia one, just because I don't know if this is gonna suit my skin tone or not, so I'm a little bit worried about it. And the formula is really smooth. I'm gonna put it on top of the swatch that I did before because I already filmed this video before, but the recording it was shit, so I had to record again. But if you can see it, it's like it's super smooth and super pigmented, and then you can just blend it out with your finger to create a more subtle look if you wish. If you know, you can rock out like that, yeah. And this is why I don't know if I'm gonna like it, because the formula is very nice. I was very surprised because since it's a crayon, I thought it was gonna be more stiff. But the formula seems really nice. Just the color, I don't know if it's gonna match my skin tone, because my skin is a really yellowish, so I don't know if this is gonna turn a little bit even more yellowish. I don't know if I'm gonna like the skin tone. Maybe in summer. That's the only thing that I'm iffy about, but other than that, it seems a good product actually. Lord and Berry blusher crayon in peach or camellia. This retails normally for £15. It's supposedly a Birchbox exclusive, full size, and January has a bad rep for being a gloomy month, but not if this blush stick has anything to do with it. Playing with color is the perfect way to add a little pep to your step on gray days, and this crayon couldn't be easier to use. Embrace your inner critic and scribble onto the apples of your cheeks, then blend out the edges with the fingerprints for an instant flush. I'm not gonna do the voice today because I'm very sick and it just blocks everything and I can't breathe when I do the voice. I tried to do the voice for you guys, but I just can't, I'm too sick. But this sounds like a cool product, even though I'm not sure I'm gonna like the color. It's different. It's just different. It's nice to try different stuff. Next, I got this Marcelle waterproof eyeliner in charcoal. This normally retails for $9.99. Let me just tell you the thingy out of the bat. Long-lasting, smudge resistant and waterproof, this eyeliner will stay put from the morning school run through your evening dinner plans. No touch-ups required. The soft charcoal shade is a wearable twist on classic black, and it glides smoothly for effortless application. Sweep the pencil across the lash line, starting from the inner corner of your eye. I already swatched it here. It's a very smooth application, and the thing that I like about this pencil is that it's not actually black, it's like dark gray. It's charcoal. It says on the packaging. Okay, but it's like dark gray instead of black, which I think makes it a little bit different. It also has a little bit of sparkle, which they don't mention, but it does have a little bit of sparkle. So I think it's gonna be different if you want to try something, you know, a little bit glam, but not the usual black cat eye. It's gonna be different for me. It's gonna be difficult for me because the cat eye is my staple look, but I will try. I will try. I tried to put it underneath my lash line, like on the underneath part, but I feel like it doesn't look too good on me. I mean, if I can put some blue or red eyeshadow, it looks nice, but black just looks like trashy. It doesn't look nice. Next, we got a skincare product, and this is the Thermaliv night cream. Getting a good night's sleep does wonders for your skin, but let's face it, those long sleep sessions are often few and far between. When you can't guarantee a few hours, message this PM moisturizer. I have no idea what what's a PM moisturizer. I don't know. Into clear skin to boost its rejuvenation potential. Brimming with sea chamomile. Again, I don't know what sea chamomile is, but okay. To boost collagen production and vitamin E to soothe, your skin will lift plump, nourished, and well rested come morning. I did try this, and you can't see it because it's too bright, the screen, but if I put it too low, can you see like that? Can you? I mean, I feel like this is a decent sized sample. It's full. It's not like the other one that was like full of air. It's actually full of product. So I do think this is a decent sized sample. It's very big. And if you say, well, it's a sample, but you are paying it for it. You are paying for the box. So, you know, you want like a decent size, then you're paying for it. Does that make sense? Does it? I hope it does. I did use this yesterday, but I have slept a lot, so it's not like you can notice it very differently. It does feel nice and smooth, but again, I've been sleeping a lot because I'm sick. I don't know what to tell you guys. I have to try it a little bit more to tell you if I actually like it or not. We have a hair product on this box. This must be the product that I'm not so sure if I like or not. This is a number 4 sugar spray. This retails normally for £20. Combining the beach waves of your favorite salt spray with the nourishment of a great hair treatment, the spritz is a great hair care hero. Formulated with sugarcane and flexible styling aids, your strands will be left soft and shining with texture aplenty. Lightly spray onto damp or dry hair, then leave to air dry or blow dry with a diffuser to amp those waves. So this is supposed to be like a texturizing spray. I don't like the smell at all. It smells like detergent. So it's very weird that I'm putting detergent on my hair. And I do not know, because I used it a little bit before, I don't know if it does anything or not. I still have to use it a little bit more. Oh, the spray. Like, see, the spray is like... I don't know. I don't know if I like this or not. I don't like the smell. I might get used to it, but right off the bat, I don't know. My hair is very disgusting because I skipped hair washing day yesterday. I was supposed to wash it yesterday. So my hair is very disgusting. So that might be why it looks even more disgusting with the spray. Sorry about that. And lastly, this is the last item of our Birchbox. This is the After Spa Amazing Makeup Amazing Makeup Remover, and this normally retails for $5.50. Now this is a sample, believe me when I say sample, because it's not even like what is this? It's so tiny. I mean, I'm not mad, it is a sample, but I don't know. I am more mad about the fact that it's falling apart, and like you have all these like pink hairs going out everywhere. I am very mad about that. I don't like that at all. So even without using it, it's already bothering me that it's just losing hairs everywhere. Hopefully it's just like a one-time thing, like when you open, because it's new, you know, does that make sense? So it's like losing the excess hairs, and then it will stop after you wash it, because you're supposed to wash it in the machine first. So hopefully it will stop, but still, I guess you can understand why I'm not digging this. Forget the various lotions and potions that usually assist in the removal of makeup. With this ultra soft cloth, there's only one thing that you need: water. That's right, just wipe the cloth and massage it over your face to break down impurity. Why am I shoving this around? It's getting more hairs everywhere. Just wipe the cloth and massage it over your face to break down impurities and remove all types of makeup. Give it a spin in the washing machine before your first use and then get started. Bonus is lasts up to 1000 washes. I don't know, I have to try. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I have to try. It's good if it actually works though. But I do have to try it before, because for now the whole hairs falling out thing is really throwing me off of using it. Hopefully it will stop, but I don't know. I don't think it will stop. We'll see. And that was all that came on the January Birchbox. My voice is dying. I need to finish this video quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I am very interested in trying some things. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried anything, if you want a more like depth review of any of the products that I will test out. I am losing my voice. Jesus Christ, and I have to work tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. Anyways, comment down below which one of your favorites. Subscribe if not already. Let's be friends. Put a like on it and we'll see you next time. Bye!